Students in Bangalore, around 6 lakh people, like who are searching the job and working, like studying for competitive exams. These people are the need the waters. Okay, these all people that came from all the 31 district of the Karnataka. So if everyone is supporting, 31 districts have to support for 29th strike like Karnataka Bandh regarding the Kaveri issue. Because sir, we can take water from the we can take the oil or something from the other countries, but we cannot take the water water from the other state or any country like that. So that we are requesting here that we want water for the drinks, not for irrigation. Suppose if you didn't grow for any rice or whatever things, we can take from the other countries also, but you cannot take from the other countries also. Again, we have to go and into the sea, and it's very difficult to refine the water and take for the drinking and all. So what we are going to request from our association is that whatever the water there in the Kaveri, so it have to be there only for the drinking purpose.